with how to compute data set in both SPSS and Jamovi. So like I stated earlier, Jamovi is the free version that you can use in exemption of SPSS, since SPSS normally have 14 days free version, after which you need to pay it. So assuming you have this data set that I've already computed the age and the weight, then you can analyze your data. So maybe you want to know, let's do the frequency. So we need to analyze the frequency. Then under this frequency we have the goodness of fit. So I will explain what goodness of it is. Again, you need to have the knowledge of the chi-square test. So the chi-square test statistics, it has its own formula. So we have got the null hypothesis. We also have what is termed as the alternative hypothesis. So when we talk about an outcome, we only deal with one variable. So what do we do here? We have the variable of age and the variable of weight. So I want to know the variable of age. It's a proportional outcome, the chi-square value and what it means, and also the p-value. So what you need to know, you need to understand the p-value and what is termed as alpha. Alpha is just the significance level. So if the significant level is higher than the p-value, as a student of economics or a student of statistics, you should be able to interpret the p-value. Like for example, here our p-value is 1.00. It means that our p-value is higher than our null hypothesis. We have the degree of freedom, then we have the chi-square value. So chi-square value is what we term as the tested statistics. And of course we have various formula. We only have one formula of calculating the chi-square test, but the formula normally varies depending on the data set you have. For more information, you can contact me through the number that I have attached in this particular video. So that is it. We can also do many tests. I can decide to analyze the paired test. So paired means two. So because I was having the two data set, I was having the two variables, I can do the paired test of age and weight as well. So you want to know the relationship of the age and what and weight. So here we are going to look for the tested statistics, again the degree of freedom and the p-value, together with what it means. So here we have the mean difference. The mean difference only occurs when you are dealing with the tested statistics. You are dealing with two variables. So we also have the normality. We can we can check the Q plot, the trend of the Q plot. Of course, it needs to load on this end. Yes, perfect. It needs to load. I was wondering. Yes. So whenever you click the Q plot, it must show on this particular part. So we have the two portions. We have the left hand portion. We also have the right hand portion. So that is it. So as you can see, that particular graph that has been depicted here is telling us that our age is directly proportional to what? To weight, because this is a positive gradient. Of course, this particular plotting is again under the goodness of fit, because this particular straight line, there is nowhere the points are passing inside that particular line, and again it is a very comprehensive concept which you can only understand if you book a session with me. So for mathematics, economics and statistics, online tuition and assignment assistance, you can contact me. I also assist students in their research